Here we are in the next step.
Wait, no.
Here we are in the next step of pouring Babbitts in the rod bearings for a 29 Oldsmobile motor. Taking two pieces of aluminum, counterboard them to where the rod cap fits right inside. And there's a centerpiece that fits in there that'll pick up the center with a pin through it. That holds the centerpiece in place. Then the rod cap fits inside. That creates a dam for the rod cap. Now you'll pour this area full of Babbit down in here. So the first thing we got to do is we have to soot everything with the inoxidized acetylene torch. And just the acetylene will create a non-stick surface so the Babbit won't stick to it. Very old technology. Very old car. Once you get everything sooted up real good, you get all these little black butterflies flying around because of this. Okay, now we can set the rod cap inside. We've got all the Babbit melted out of the original rod cap. Set it inside and get it to stay. Doggone. This worked before, but now we're on video, it's not going to work. Here we go. Now we got the cap down inside. Push the cap to the bottom. Set it in the vise. Now we need to warm up the Babbit. Got a little cast iron pot with Babbit material in it. Babbit melts at about 477 degrees. This is called roto metal. Same material they used in the Model A and Model T engines. See how it's all melting and getting solidified. Just like water. Get that good and warm. And you have to warm up the bearing shell. That has to come up to about 300 degrees. Everything gets nice and hot so the Babbit will flow around the mold. One thing we forgot to do is put the bolts back in the hole so we won't fill the holes up full of Babbit. There we go. Those bolts won't get used. I've got a brand new set of ARP bolts. Now to get everything nice and warm. And then we'll do a pour. Go in here just like this. Pour it right down inside. Going to get a little bit more heat on it. Back up. get it to flow in there just a little bit better. And as that comes out of the mold, it'll look just like this one. Take all this extra Babbit off, set it in the fixture, run a boring bar through here, get it to fit on the crank. Pouring bearings for a 29 Oldsmobile.